Hi there, welcome to the new video of our series Excel tutorial for intermediate learners on Mentor Edge. In today's lesson, we will master sorting, filtering and managing data like a pro. In this session, we will be covering Excel topics like sorting and filtering data effectively, custom sort options, multiple levels, color sorting, using the advanced filter, removing duplicates, data validations, drop-down list, error alerts. By learning these essential skills, you can manage, clean and organize data in Excel. So let's start our today's session. Sorting data. Sorting helps you organize information so it's easier to analyze. On the Home tab, approach Sort and Filter. Here Excel allows sorting alphabetically, numerically or by custom order. Basic sorting. Sort quantity from smallest to largest. Select the column, go to Home, Sort and Filter, choose smallest to largest. Now Excel rearranges the entire row so the data stays intact. Sorting by multiple levels. First sort by quantity, then by product. Go to Data, Sort, add level, level 1 quantity, largest to smallest, level 2 product, A to Z. This is useful when organizing group data like departments, categories and dates. Filtering data. Filters let you display only the information you need without deleting anything. Apply filter. Select a cell in your header row, click data, then filter. Filter arrows appear on the right corners of all your header row. You can filter by text, number or color. Now simply by clicking on drop-down arrows, for example, show only product, show quantity less than 50, show color red. To clear filter, once applied, click Clear adjacent to filter option. To remove filters from the header row, just click the filter icon again. To remove duplicate values from your data, select one or more columns that contain duplicates, go to Data Tools and click Remove Duplicates. Data validation. Data validation controls what users can or cannot type in a cell. This keeps your data clean and accurate. Create a drop-down list. Put a category list. Select cells. Go to Data, Data Validation. Allow list, source, type list items, click OK. Now you can select values instead of typing, reducing errors. Set number list. Quantity must be between 1 to 50. Go to data validation. Allow whole numbers. Data between 1 to 50. Now you can enter only numbers from 1 to 50. Input message and error alerts. Enter a friendly message. Error style stop. Enter the error message. These prompts guide users and prevent mistakes. Great job! You have learned sorting, filtering, and data validation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mentor Edge. Hit the bell icon so you never miss the upcoming tutorial on formatting and data presentation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.